Now, because I'm in Namibia, I need to change my beer cup from Black Label South Africa so okay, it's now in place. I have the Namibian beer. Good. Beer cup change. It's time to choose a new beer cup for Felicity. So out the mossy one, and I need to choose either Safari or Kilimanjaro. I think Kilimanjaro is more appropriate because we are in Tanzania. So there you go, Kilimanjaro. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. There you go, Kilimanjaro. Out Kilimanjaro, Tanzania, in Primus, Rwanda. There you go. And here the Nile special of Uganda. There we go. On the Nile, you drink Nile beer. You know the drill, guys. Ethiopia, out Uganda. I don't have Kenya, but I do have Ethiopia. There you go. I'm in Sudan. I had to do a little maintenance to my headset. I took away the Ethiopian beer cup, and because in Sudan there are no drinks, there's no alcohol, I'm gonna put another Ethiopian beer cup, which is pretty nice. Has an Afro-looking woman face, and it's called Abesha beer. There you go, Abesha, Ethiopia.